Hi there, welcome to this Mitsubishi L200. This is a Warrior. It's a 2019, so it's a Ulez compliant Euro 6 city centre clean air zone compliant vehicle. It's the 2.4 turbo diesel, 180 brake horsepower, and it's capable of towing up to 3,500 kilograms with a triaxle trailer. This has a reverse camera on it, heated leather seats, really nice specification truck, and yeah, quite an unusual truck. It's an automatic as well, which is always good news. Let me take you around and show you. It's got the wash on the headlamps there, the driving lights in the front bumper as well. It's got the privacy glass on the rear glass units, the side steps, the alloy wheels. So this will be fully serviced in our workshops before it goes out. It has a reverse camera, you can see there in the tailgate. No tow bar on this, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Tow bar can be fitted and they're not that expensive to fit. Has a fitted body liner in there. So Warrior's got electric front driver's seat with an airbag in it, and that's a heated seat as well, which is good. The front passenger seat's heated, 4-door electric windows, electric mirrors, lane departure warning, traction control. So lane departure, just if you're moving out of the lane, you should be, it would just flash up on the cab to tell you. It won't grab the steering or anything like that. And inside, digital climate control, air conditioning all here. Let's start it. It all comes alive. The monitor comes alive. There's heated seats down there, the alarm showing, the auxiliary plug-in, HDMI, just to show if there's to put seat belts on, passenger airbags on. There's your digital climate and digital radio. There's all the apps so that you can mirror your telephone to that system. On here, there's reverse camera, so if it's got a tow bar on, perfectly back to the trailer every time. 58,697 miles. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Bluetooth telephone, radio controls all there on the steering wheel. Yeah, so running in two-wheel drive all the time. You can select four-wheel drive, 4 high, and then you can lock it in, and 4 low you can lock in as well. But general use is, I think is you would use 2 high and just select it slowly on this dial. Depending on the conditions, if it's a snow-packed road or you're going into a muddy field, then you could just select that. If it's more serious conditions, then you could lock it in. So that you see the indication here on the dash, just the green rear wheels are locked in at the moment, and as we go, if we were to go forward, it should lock, prepare to lock in the front wheels. And there it goes. Perfect. So we can put that back into two-wheel drive. Yeah, just to get yourself out of trouble really, or to be sure that you're going to get in on that piece of land that you need to, or the snow-packed road where everyone else is stuck. You know, you'll be able to do that. So also on this gearbox, you can put it down, so you put it down to drive for everyday use, but you can put the gate across, and then drive it like a manual and go up through the gears like so, and then it'll indicate on the dash there actually there's 1, 2, and then as you're driving forward it'll go up through the gears. Or you could, I guess, on the land just hold it in a lower gear, so you like a crawler gear, and just go across the land quietly by doing that, rather than it being in drive and running away from you. Or if you're running a big heavy trailer, maybe give yourself some engine braking as you come down to a junction, rather than being all over the brakes. The interior wise is all very nice in here. It's an ex-lease vehicle, so just one owner on the logbook. There's a stamp in the book, and we'll stamp it. We'll service it before it goes out as well. So Isofix seats in the rear, all nice in the rear. Doesn't look like many people are sat here. And there's a jack, a stalk to release the spare wheel, and a wheel brace over there as well. There's a nice little void there. Put a few items behind the seat out of the way. So good all-round utility vehicle, Mitsubishi L200 Warrior, available here at Cross Country 4x4. We'll consider a part exchange on this truck. We can give quotes for finance if that helps on this truck. We can quote to have it delivered to your premises as well, but we always recommend everyone to come out and see the vehicles in person if you possibly can. And then if you have a part exchange, we can see your part exchange as well. And yeah, so please do give us a call on 01380 818 311 or email us sales@crosscountry4x4.co.uk. Thank you very much for looking.